Ethan. Mm-hmm. 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 It's hard to do it when you have one hand holding a chip. Mm-hmm. You need to hurry up and finish it so you can go to bed. Already? I don't think so. I don't know about that. Did you eat the whole thing? Mm-hmm. Are you going to come back up? Or are you going to go down? Oh, you want to kick it? No? You just want to keep climbing up? Don't you want to show everybody when you're walking around? You're running around everywhere. Don't you want to show everyone? Gotta let go of the chips. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Time for bed. But you gotta finish your chip. Can I have it? Thank you, Ethan. Ethan, Thank you. Thank you, Ethan. You're gonna give me some invisible chip? Thank you. All gone. Okay, time for bed. Say bye-bye.